is back and ready to put this one in the air.
What's up, everybody? It's Retro with Unlimited Propaganda. We're getting ready to check out Black Lightning Episode 2, Lawanda, the Book of Hope. We're really excited to really engulf ourselves into this Black Lightning world that they're building in the Arrowverse. So we're going to sit down, enjoy the episode. I am going to have a reaction and a review after for the episode, so please stay tuned. And also, don't forget we are doing a $25 Hulu gift card giveaway. We do need 200 subscribers, so make sure you like and subscribe as well. So stay tuned after for the review.
Black Lightning is back. And let's take these guys down.
Black Lightning, my man.
A bad thing. Don't think just because I'm a little stoned, that means you're gonna get some.
I think your girl should start putting in some work over at the Seahorse Motel.
I'm not afraid of the one crap.
Bitch, you should be.
Jeff, where are you going?
Get all the rules.
Bring them home.
Don't act all stoic on me. I know you. You're probably in there tap dancing. You so happy she's back.
Yeah, well, she's not.
Sure like to say Negro on the show.
We're getting close.
Yeah, I'm happy to hear that. Y'all deserve some happiness. We gonna get these guys.
Can't say the other one.
Will, Lala, we'll get them.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, by the way, you might want to talk to your girl, Lawanda. She posted herself up outside the Seahorse with a camera, recording lines and taking down license plate numbers. I tried to talk to her, but she just called me Uncle Tom and walked away. She
Wow.
Lala.
You better take that camera out of my face. You want to take your ass home now? I'm not playing no games with you.
I want my daughter. I want my daughter.
No. Oh, what the hell?
Come on, baby. I ain't got time for this, man.
Hey, man, what's up?
Jeff, I didn't want you to hear it on the news. Lawanda's dead. I just got the call a few minutes ago.
Including becoming a rat.
This show is crazy. What's up, everybody? It's Retro with Unlimited Propaganda. We just got through watching Black Lightning, and it was awesome. I mean, Black Lightning's great. I mean, you have action, death, drama, sadness. It's a whole balance, and it's not just like a normal CW show. There is a little bit of teen drama in it, but not so much. And also, guys, Jefferson Pierce, one of the greatest human beings of all time. He's a principal that really wants to get things done, and hey, just because he has powers, he can get some more stuff done. It's awesome. I mean, he fights these gangs, and also he stands up for his community as a principal. Lawanda, the Book of Hope, this episode was based off of a mother that was just trying to get her daughter back, and she asked Jefferson Pierce to get her back, and he couldn't get her back in time, and Lawanda, spoiler alert, Lawanda bites the bullet in this episode. But she is the spark that lights the fire to the resistance. And yes, I just did a Star Wars quote there, because Lawanda is going to be the one that actually brings Black Lightning back to the streets, in which he did at the end of the episode. And he went to the 100 and he showed them everything he got. And he also said to the cops that he was back. This show's awesome, guys. If you haven't seen it, you need to check it out. Black Lightning is back, and it is awesome. So again, There's one more thing I do want to add. I don't think that Black Lightning will continue on with the show because he is older, and I feel like it is going to take a toll on him. So that's just one thing to look at. Well, as always, guys, like, subscribe, and keep it unlimited. Peace.
All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You to back it up and bust it.